Introducing the all-new Jackery 100 Prime Solar Panel, your gateway to boundless outdoor living. Effortlessly mountable on any surface, the 100 Prime integrates seamlessly with any setup, on land or sea. With its premium design and cutting-edge IBC technology, the 100 Prime sets a new standard in solar energy efficiency. Experience up to 20% more power generation thanks to its innovative dual-sided technology that captures reflected light. Pair it with Jackery's portable power solutions and embrace the great outdoors. Designed to minimize drag, the sleek profile of the 100 Prime means you don't have to worry about wind resistance, making it the perfect companion for your adventures, whether you're navigating the open road or cruising on the water. Built to last with industry-grade tempered glass and a robust aluminum alloy frame, the 100 Prime can withstand any harsh environments that Mother Nature offers. Waterproof, shock-resistant, and crafted to endure, it promises reliability for over a decade. Fully powered and without limits. The Jackery 100 Prime Solar Panel. Internationally certified superior DIY solar panel. Jackery.